Alright, this is one a lot of viewers have been requesting. See, we have two options for the GoPro at this point. You can go down the Media Mod path, or you can go the 3.5mm adapter path. So what is the better investment? Ready? Oh, links are down in the description. There's also a surprise link, and there are time chapters down at the bottom for all the busy people that need answers fast. So, the GoPro 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, depending on when you're watching this, they all came out with media mods so that you can get HDMI out, instead of all the GoPros before, which already had them built in. However, I'm not here to say whether that was a bad idea or not. Frankly, I could see it from both sides. I mean, one hand, they can include all of that stuff in there, make the GoPro a little bit bigger, and on the other hand, money. So a real quick breakdown on the media mod and why you might need it. It's like a housing that plugs into your USB-C and gives you a more directional mic, plus it gives you 3 plugs in the back, a mic input for a better mic. Anything is better in my opinion. It gives you HDMI out to be able to use it as a webcam or a live camera or connect it to your TV to watch the videos from your GoPro. The housing is made of plastic and it feels like you can break it if you step on it or put it wrong in your bag. It has 2 cold shoe mounts and you connect it from the same GoPro connectors from your GoPro. Which seriously, oh, I hate this. It is, oh. It's so, yeah, you'll see later. So the price of the Media Mod is around $80, which is actually a pretty fair price. The microphone on the Media Mod sucks, in my opinion. I think that if you were ever to use the Media Mod, you're gonna invest in another microphone anyways. Okay, so here is what the Media Mod is up against. Let's just say for now, you don't need the HDMI out, so you're just looking for a better microphone system for vlogging and all that stuff. You just use this, a 3.5mm audio adapter from GoPro, and the price is around $45. But then you for sure need a microphone. And I did just review a really inexpensive microphone. You can check it out up there. Actually, if you ever see this pop up there, it usually means there's something I'm referring to, like a product review or a deeper dive of the product that we're talking about. So, you know. So that microphone is only $30. Now let's just compare the $30 microphone to the Media Mod microphone. So this is what it sounds like from the Media Mod microphone. I'm gonna walk outside so you can kind of hear it against the elements. And this is what it sounds like with the $30 microphone. And you can kind of, you know, play it back to back, I suppose, somehow. But I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's a comparison. Which one do you think sounds better? Let me know in the comments. So audio adapter, $30 mic, maybe you already have a microphone, and that's all you need. But seriously, are you gonna walk around like that? No. Ulanzi, in my opinion, make the best housing for GoPros. I haven't even seen anyone else make them. You can get this little battery door for $16 and it gives you a cold shoe as well, so you can plug into that, but you're still gonna have that little adapter hanging around. I mean, if price is an object, you can jerry rig it any way you want. But for $4 more, you can step it up to this whole plastic housing where you can slide the 3.5mm adapter down at the bottom to kind of hide it a little bit more, which seriously looks really good. And if you really want to step it up even further, you can check out the metal cage that they have, which is a beast. I mean, this thing is durable and it looks pretty cool. And this one actually comes with extra cold shoe mounts. Plus at the bottom, they have their own GoPro brackets, or you can use a screw thread like normal people. So now we're at $80 for the Media Mod with a crappy mic, but it has HDMI out. $95 for something like this. A way better mic, but no HDMI. But then again, you can always use your GoPro as a webcam through USB-C. So maybe you don't need HDMI. I'm just a little bit torn because there's so much give and take between both systems. The Media Mod, it's really easy to use. You just put it in, connect it, no wires hanging out. Plus it gives you audio meters, it looks sleek, and you get HDMI out. The mic isn't that great, so you probably get an extra microphone. The annoyance of the design, like trying to change batteries or get to the SD card or just take the GoPro out, it's just a very poor design. I mean, why didn't you just add separate brackets? Or it's a Media Mod, you should have just added a screw thread at the bottom. That actually takes it down to about a 7 out of 10. Now, with the other setup, I mean, the design is great, it looks sleek. Having to connect a cable isn't ideal, but it's not annoying. No audio meter showing for the 3.5mm adapter. I mean, no HDMI out, but it's super simple, it's easy to use, and it's a lot easier to get to your batteries and SD card if you need to get to those. And for that, I have to give it a 7 as well. I didn't want to tie. Let him speak!
No, he's crazy!
Mainly if you need HDMI out, I would go with the Media Mod, obviously. But if you don't need HDMI out, I don't think you need the Media Mod. I think the other route is a little bit better. and it's a lot easier to use and customize. So that's my confusing opinion. I mean, and I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Which one looks like the better value in your opinion? Now, if you're interested in any of the gear that I'm using, I will put all the links down in the description. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.